it's Gina with WTI. And if you struggle with having dry and crackly skin during the winter time, then you should check out this paraffin wax kit from KmaxShip. I've noticed that since I've started using it, that my skin is way more hydrated, has more moisture in it than I normally do, even with putting lotion or other oils on it during the winter. I really like that it has helped to loosen up my joints. I have some kind of crunchy fingers and toes, and I've noticed that after using the paraffin wax, it's really helped with feeling better. I really like that you can use an auto setting on this. That way you don't have to figure out what temperature to put it to so that it melts and all of that. On the auto setting, you'll see that it says H80 on one side, and then there will be a number that counts up or down on the other side. So the H80 is the time that it's gonna take to get it up to temperature to melt all the wax and then take it down to 131. When I broke up the wax to put it in the vat to melt for the first time, I did that by hand. It was really easy. And I would just recommend having some paper down or something in case the wax kind of bounces around. This kit comes with a lot of things that you're going to need to have a good paraffin wax experience. After dipping your hands or feet really quickly into the wax 4 or 5 times to get thin coats each time, wait for it to cool a bit and then cover it with the plastic booties or gloves that come with the kit. And then the kit also comes with really nice hand covers or foot covers so that you can keep that warmth inside. If you want to get your entire foot in, which this vat can accommodate, I would suggest picking up a couple more pounds of the paraffin wax so that you can reach all the way up to your ankle. Overall, I'm really pleased with this system. I've enjoyed using it so much, and that's my point of view.